Good morning. We're in the Palm Restaurant. Sea Day Brent. Okay.
We made it. And only because it's until 1 p.m.
Exactly. So like brunch is until 1. You know, we ain't getting up early on no cruise. I would just lie.
So when they came, certainly red order is she was and we saw our previous Carnival and he got shoes. So we are going to see how they are here on Mardi Gras and see here any better.
So we just ate brunch, and I thought it was really good. The cheese grits were better than they were before. The sausage was good. The breakfast potatoes were pretty good. Everything was really good. I had a little salt to my grits, but overall, I really, really liked it. I was happy. I will come back. David, what did you think?
So no, everything was fine. I did leave. Corey ate the most of this skillet cake. You can see it on the plate. Show it. Anyway, Corey ate most of this. To me, it tasted like you could either eat it for breakfast or dinner because it tastes, I don't know, like what I told Corey is I felt like it did not lend itself to have sweet tops on it. It tastes more savory than sweet, so it was kind of weird. And it had a lot going on. Caramel, marshmallows, some crumble on it, some other stuff. It was okay. But you know, it got me thinking, before we got here, we heard a lot of people who were talking about, oh, the food's not good. And I will say that, like, we haven't had anything that's like the size of the ring yet. Again, it's really only technically one in my room. But I feel like most of these people saying this, y'all know that on the day-to-day average, this is about what y'all eat. I mean, I feel like it's just normal. It's not run and tell somebody I had the best meal ever, but it's not inedible. It just tastes like food.
Yeah.
You know?
But I agree.
So it was good enough. It was fine. The eggs tasted like, you know, how I love those boxed eggs or however. That's what they were. And the chicken sausage was chicken sausage. You know?
And I did like the skillet cake. I would get the skillet cake again. She says no, she wouldn't get it.
Maybe
I would.
Dinner.
She said maybe for dinner. I don't know if that's an option.
No.
But I would. I'd definitely get it again. That's some chicken sausage. They're very good. So try the Sea Day brunch whenever you're on Mardi Gras. We are sitting out by Blue Iguana. Just had some tacos. They were delicious. Dana's on her phone now.
They were okay. You think we were just okay? I didn't like it. I had chicken and fish. The chicken was a little overwhelming. Like I like my tacos, the protein in it, not overwhelmed right off the top. And chicken. I think you said
it was very mosquito. It tastes like they have a lot of barbecue type seasoning or whatever on it.
So I like tacos that taste refreshing. Some of watermelon salsa, sour cream and all that. So I thought it would be refreshing. But a chicken actually made it tasted like seaweed. I mean, it was good, but I actually preferred it with no protein. That's great. The rest of it, we just ate it. And
the salsa. Okay. Well, I enjoyed it. I thought it was great. I think I might go get me another one. It's that good. So we're sitting at Serenity Deck. Was in the pool for a little bit. Got out. Dried off. And Dana decided to use the order food app. Order food button in the Carnival Hub, where they will bring you a pizza or some wings or whatever to wherever you are on the ship. So we're gonna see how this works. She said you had to take a picture of yourself and a picture of where you are located.
No, take a picture of yourself, and then on the map, you just show on the map where you're located. So, and the map is pretty much just like it is out here. So I was able to show them where I am out here, and then take a picture of myself and see.
Okay. So we're gonna sit here and wait and see how long it takes, and see if it actually works. If they actually find us. I don't know.
Yeah.
Well, look at that. There's your pizza. Her pizza's here. That's so cool.
Thank you very much. Yeah, Mom.
Thank you. Boom. There's
Pizza.
pizza delivery. What does Dana think of the pizza?
It's good.
It's good.
Yeah. So we just went to shebang for dinner, and as you know, that is where they have Mexican and Chinese on the menu. They have a Chinese menu and a Mexican menu, and they also have steakhouse options, just in case you were wondering. I did all Chinese Asian, and Corey did a little mixture of both. So I had the egg drop soup, I had sweet and sour shrimp, and the honey crunch sauce. Egg drop soup, first let me say it tastes nothing like egg drop soup in the States, but it was delicious. It's full of vegetables. It had mushrooms, corn, and eggs. Some everything in it. It was really, really good. It was actually the second best thing I've eaten so far on this cruise. So let's see how that holds up. The sweet and sour shrimp, not so much. Overly fried, and the taste, again, it's one of those things where it doesn't taste like what you imagine sweet and sour shrimp or what you're used to would taste like. It had a bitter note to it. I can't really explain it. I don't know. I didn't love it. It was edible, but I wouldn't get it again. And then the salad, I just tasted a little bit. That was fine. No issues with that. Corey, what'd you think of your food? What'd you get?
So I got the honey crab salad. I got the beef and broccoli. The pollo y mole, which is like chicken with mole sauce. And then some steamed rice. Steamed rice, sticky rice. No, I love some sticky rice. I know that's so stupid. That's the first thing that I mentioned, but I love some sticky rice. The crunch salad was good, very, very citrusy and wet. Had grapefruit in it. It had grapefruit in it, so it was a little sour, which was throwing me off a little bit, but it was good. I needed more wonton. The beef and broccoli was good. I like that. And then the chicken mole, would not get that. Like, it was good at first, and then the more I ate it, I didn't really care for it so much anymore. Overall, I would say it's okay. I probably wouldn't go back. They have a good bit of options, but nothing that just like blew me out of the water. You know what I mean?
Oh wow, okay. Because I would totally go back for the food, but that's it. So we probably won't go back. There are too many restaurants up here anyway that we need to try. So let's do a 360. We're in the Havana bar. tonight we are going to dine at Airport. It's a cute little, here, I'll show you. We see Corey up there ordering. And they do have beignets, so they're not on the menu, but they're on the front, so beignets are $5. I'm sorry, you can't have New Orleans without beignets. It's just somebody who doesn't know anything about New Orleans. Anyway, so we'll let you know how the food is, and we'll show you what we get.
That's that egg.
The egg is delicious.
It's just egg.
It's good egg.
What is that? Good? That's 8?
So far.
All right, so maybe eating the boudin ball. See if we like the boudin ball. At least you get on my shirt. That's good. Probably about 7. There's a little more seasoning. But good, the sauce is so even. So David's gonna eat some baby potato salad. Baby for baby.
It's one of them.
It's potatoes with mayonnaise.
If they had on the menu, you could order potato salad, and then I would order. But I don't know why it came with red meat.
Yeah.
Probably
I don't know why. No gumbo.
I didn't know that was a thing. What did I read? Green.
Yeah.
Actually, it just tastes like a bunch of wood.
Yeah.
You know, kind of like tuna fish. Okay, but it's not. I'm gonna give it a
Okay. Shrimp skippy.
None had the pan. It's really hard.
Oh Lord.
Thank
Look at it boiling. It is boiling. Look at that.
Pretty.
Like, you know how you get fajitas at a Outback or something? And it's that is boiling. Ooh, what is that? Cheese bread? Garlic bread?
The bread.
But everything that you've eaten starts out with it.
Yeah. You have to come back to it. Alright. I expect you to taste it. Quite a ring of the problem is that it's too much lemon in it. So it tastes lemony. I know a lot of people like lemon on their seafood. I will say they serve the shrimp in a way I cannot stand. No, it is the shrimp with the shell. When I was supposed to do that, it makes it a cocktail, shrimp cocktail. But to hold it,
Show them the taste.
it's like I'm gonna stick my fingers in it and hold on to it. Like now I gotta sit here and cut them all off. I don't like that. Also, it has pasta.
I can smell the lemons from
It's
here.
very lemon.
I can smell it.
You don't even lemon. This is not.
Here's my reaction to the gumbo. It just tastes like Uncle Ben's rice, but I cannot stand. And great. Like, gumbo's supposed to be really rich flavor, robust.
Don't eat that. I put that on your plate and it has sweet.
What is that?
I don't know. I flipped some of the chips down in
My rating for edibles is going down. The more I eat, the less it tastes good.
and here, so you don't have to.
Yeah, we eat here, so you don't have to. So, as many restaurants as they have here on Mardi Gras, edibles is one you can pay.
Unless you like mild flavors and a lot of lemon. No water.
The ambiance is nice.
It's unpleasant. But you know, I guess with Emerald being known for spicy stuff, look, I'm not complaining because I don't like spicy food. It's a right in my alley, but I know that's not what people
Yeah, but
expect.
you can have really good food. full of spice that's not spicy.
Hot. Yeah.
You know, just a lot of flavor. No.
I'm gonna eat my
Because I'm gonna eat mine because I paid for it too, but I don't know how much.
So Corey, what did you think of the beignet?
You would see those recipes online. They're like, oh, copycat. Make it just like you see at the restaurant. No thing. That's what this is. I tell you to take a biscuit and drop it in the water.
A biscuit, yeah. No, these are not the one with beignets at all. I don't even know what they are.
See that?
And we knew something was up because there was no hot sugar all over.
We ordered room service. As you can see, it just came. Yep. Because we wanted a late night dinner. Want to see what we got for room service?
Paid room service.
Paid room service. Okay.
$6.
Chicken Caesar salad. Looks good. What is that? Oh, portobello bun. I didn't know it came with fries. Portobello and veggie bun, which is like a sandwich. Portobello.
It's good, I've had before.
Portobello mushroom sandwich. How much was that, David?
$5. I don't know.
Sweet potato fries, $3.
50 cents.
If it's cent. And then we also got chicken quesadilla. Another $6 or something like that. $20 for room service. We're getting ready to eat, like I said, a little late dinner. And then read a little bit and go to bed. So we'll check with y'all a little bit later tomorrow. Bye. We hope that you enjoyed that video. Please hit that thumbs up button if you did. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you know every time we post new videos. Have a great day.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.